Now, let's say a demon, right? Would a demon curse itself? Like if I was a demon trying to get you to be on my side, would I be like, before you read any surah of the Quran, say, I seek refuge from Shaitan, the demon that is cursed and acquitted? Would the Quran continuously tell you, don't listen to demons, follow the angels, follow the Prophet? You see, it doesn't make sense, right?
Unless the demons come disguised as angels.
Okay.
Which seems to happen a lot throughout history.
Sure. Well, that's possible.
Yeah.
But if it's a demon, what's the end goal?
To deceive.
Right? To get you on the demonic side, right? Like for example, America and Russia, if they're gonna try to influence a country, Russia's not gonna go to a country and be like, yo, hate Russians, hate communism, be pro-US, right?
Yeah.
They're gonna come towards us. If America goes to influence a country, they're not gonna be like, yo, democracy sucks, capitalism is horrible, be anti-American. They're gonna be pro-America.
Yeah.
The Quran is filled with cursing Shaitan, cursing the devils, saying away from the devil whispers, right? So why would a demon want to take you away from the devilish? That would be the opposite of what he wants, right? As Muslims, we pray, we fast, we don't drink, we don't follow the demonic lifestyle, right? We don't engage in homosexuality, we don't engage in casual sex, we don't do drug use. So that wouldn't make sense for the devil to be trying to take you to live a righteous life.
Okay, I see what you're saying.